Wildlife of Azerbaijan consists of its flora and fauna and the natural habitats. The symbol of fauna in Azerbaijan is the Karabakh horse, which is a mountain-steppe racing and riding horse which can only be found in Azerbaijan. It is one of the oldest breeds, with ancestry dating to the ancient world. The horse was originally developed in the Karabakh region in the 5th century and is named after it. The natural habitat of various types of animals is very different within the country. Some species populate special restricted areas while others are spread throughout the country. For example, passerines can be found anywhere in the territory of Azerbaijan. Protozoa parasites are also registered in all areas of the country, depending on natural habitat of carrier animals. Among mammals, german gazelles populate plain areas. Caucasian goat inhabits the major Caucasus areas. Most species of birds can be found in forests, some in water basins. Pest insects occupy different agricultural fields, while others populate defined biotopes only. A number of natural preserves have been created and the hunting rules were brought into effect for protection of fur and hoofed animals in Azerbaijan. Fauna. The animal kingdom of Azerbaijan is very rich, partly due to diversity of its natural complexes. Mammals. Azerbaijan has the highest number of mammal species in Europe. Some 107 species of mammals have been recorded in Azerbaijan, 3 of which are unique species. Popular species are Caucasian goats and West Caucasus mouflons, which inhabit Nikhchivan and western slopes of the Greater Caucasus in Balakin, Gabala, Zaqatala and Ismaili regions. German gazelles are among the rarest and fastest species in the Caucasus. These species can only be found in Shevan State Reserve, Bendivan and Korche regions of Azerbaijan. Insectivores. Eastern European hedgehog, Aranarchius concala. East Central European hedgehog, Aranarchius rumenicus. Long-eared hedgehog, Hemiachinus auratus. Levantine mole, Talpa levantis. Geldenstedt shrew, Crocidura geldenstedt c. Bicolored shrew, Crocidura lucidon. Transcaucasian water shrew, Neomys shelkownikovi. White-toothed pygmy shrew, Suncassis etruscus. Caspian shrew, Crocidura caspica. Bats. European free-tailed bat, Tadyrida tenotus. Common pipistrelle, Pipistrellus pipistrellus. Cools. Pipistrelle, Pipistrellus coolii. Lesser mouse-eared bat, Myotis blithei. Whiskered bat, Myotis mustatinus. Serotine bat, Aptesicus serotinus. Lesser horseshoe bat, Rhinolophus hippocyderos. Greater horseshoe bat, Rhinolophus ferrumequinum. Bottas serotine bat, Aptesicus botti. Meles horseshoe bat, Rhinolophus melli. Geoffroy's bat, Myotis amarginatus. Brown long-eared bat, Plecotis auratus. Noctule bat, Nyctalus noctula. Savius pipistrelle, Hypsugo savii. Nathusios pipistrelle, Pipistrellus nathusii. Party-colored bat, Vespertilium uranus. Bent-wing bat, Miniopterus schreiber c. Mediterranean horseshoe bat, Rhinolophus uriale. Blasius's horseshoe bat, Rhinolophus blasii. Natra's bat, Myotis nataeri. Eastern barbastelle bat, Barbastella leucomelas. Western barbastelle bat, Barbastella barbastralis. Beechstein's bat, Myotis beechsteinii. Grey long-eared bat, Plecotis austriacus. Leisler's bat, Nyctalus leisleri. Northern bat, Aptesicus nilsoni. Soprano pipistrelle, Pipistrellus pygmaeus. Lagomorphs. European hare, Lepus europaeus. European rabbit, Oryctolagus cuniculus. Rodents. House mouse, Mus musculus. Brown rat, Rattus norvegicus. Pygmy field mouse, Apodium australensis. yellow-breasted mouse, Apidimus fulvopectus, grey hamster, Chrysoetulus migratorius, water vole, Arvicola terrestris, social vole, Microtus socialis, small five-toed jerboa, Alactaga elata, Euphrates jerboa, Alactaga euphratica, Libyan geode Meriones libicus, Tristram's geode Meriones tristami, Persian geode Meriones persicus, Vinogradov's geode Meriones vinogradovi, midday gerbil Meriones meridianus, Turkish hamster Mesochrysetus branti, Azerbaijani mouse-like hamster Calamuscus uratensis, Transcaucasian mole vole Elobius luteolens, Abbott's mouse Mus abboti, fat dormouse glis, forest dormouse Drimys itegula, common vole Microtus arvalus, snow vole Chionimus nivalis, Caucasian snow vole Chionimus scud, Robert snow vole Chionimus roberti, black sea field mouse Apidimus ponticus, striped field mouse Apidimus agrarius, harvest mouse Micromys minutus, Shelkownikov's pine vole Microtus shelkownikovi, Caucasus field mouse Apidimus hyconicus, Dagestan pine vole Microtus dagestanicus, Mage's pine vole Microtus mageri, Nasarov's vole Microtus nasarovi, Persian squirrel Sciurus anomalus, red squirrel Sciurus vulgaris, Indian porcupine Hystrix leucura, roof rat Rattus rattus, coipu Maocosta coipus, carnivore's raccoon Procyon lota, Caspian tiger Panthera tigris virgata, grey wolf Canis lupus, golden jackal Canis aureus, red fox Vulpes vulpes, beech marten Martes fauna, Eurasian badger Melumelus, least weasel Mustela nivalis, European otter Lutra lutra, Eurasian lynx Lynx, brown bear Ursus arctos, striped hyena Hyrena, pine marten Martes, wildcat Felis sylvestris, marbled polecat Vormella perigusna, African wildcat Felis libica, Pallas's cat Odocolobus manuel, jungle cat Felis chaus, Persian leopard Panthera pardus saxicolor, Caspian sea wolf Canis lupus cubanensis, pinnipeds Caspian seal Phoca caspica, even-toed ungulates wild boar Suscrofa, roe deer Capreolus, red deer Cervus elephas, goited gazelle Gazella subgatrosa, chamois Rupicapra, wild goat Capra aegregis, Asiatic Mouflon Ovis orientalis, East Caucasian Turk Capra cylindricornis. Fish. The country's freshwater basins and the Caspian Sea account for 97 species of fish, of which 8 are introduced and 7 of these have become widespread. There are also over 15,000 species of invertebrates in Azerbaijan. Most can be found in the Kur River, surrounding lakes, as well as in the Minchchevia Reservoir. Most of fish are anadromous or semi-anadromous. The most valuable of anadromous fish are salmon, sturgeon, stellate sturgeon and beluga. Espias, chalk alburnus and eel are also anadromous fish. Sturgeon meat and caviar are highly valuable. Beside, the water basins of Azerbaijan contain such valuable fish species as bream, sazan, Rutilus cutum and others. Such fish species as herring are fished in the Caspian Sea. Due to the construction of a number of hydrotechnical plants on the Kur River after 1959, the regulation of the river water flow, as well as the Caspian water pollution, led to the significant reduction in the number of valuable fish species. 3 hatcheries for melioration and fish farming purposes were launched to restore the fish reserves and to increase the number of fish in species. Azerbaijan's fish farming establishments and hatcheries account for breeding of 20 million sturgeons, 600,000 salmons, over 800,000. A new hatchery with the capacity of 20 million sturgeons was put in commission in Kaili in 2000. Birds. Azerbaijan is incredibly rich in avifauna. There are 363 species of birds recorded from about 60 families. Around 40% of the species are settled in Azerbaijan. However, 27% of these species overwinter here, and 10% pass through on migration. One of the most inspiring bird species is the golden eagle, which inhabits mainly mountainous areas such as Nikishevan. The golden eagle has been printed on dozens of stamps and cards in Azerbaijan. Other 10 species of amphibians from 5 families are recorded in Azerbaijan. There are 52 species of reptiles found in Azerbaijan. Most of these species are found in semi-desert areas in Shamaki and Nakhichevan. Few are found in other lowlands or mountainous areas. Flora. Azerbaijan has a very rich flora. More than 4,500 species of higher plants have been registered in the country. Due to the unique climate in Azerbaijan, the flora is much richer in the number of species than the flora of the other republics of the South Caucasus. About 67% of the species growing in the whole Caucasus can be found in Azerbaijan. The richness of Azerbaijan's flora and the variety of its vegetation results from the variety and richness of its physical, geographic and natural historic conditions, and from its compound history influenced by the remote floristic regions. Trees and plants. Relict genera of the Tertiary period can be frequently found in all the zones of Azerbaijan, especially in Lenkaran. They are the iron tree, the Lenkoran acacia, the basketil, the Caucasian persimmon, the evergreen shrub of Ruscus haikana, the box tree, etc. There are 240 endemic species of plants in Azerbaijan. In the Altyagak National Park, for which 90.5% covered by broadleaved forests, the major types of trees are iron trees, Caucasus hornbeam, oriental beech, and birches. Reserves. Several reserves have been established in Azerbaijan to preserve the fauna, flora and their ecosystems. Boygol State Reserve, Jizalahaj State Reserve, Zagotila State Reserve, Turyanche State Reserve, Pirgulu State Reserve, Shervan State Reserve, Basiche State Reserve, Karayazi State Reserve, Ismaili State Reserve, Naragul State Reserve, Ilasu State Reserve, Shabaz State Reserve, Eldar Pine Tree State Reserve,